Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Myspace account on your device. In order to delete Myspace account, you'll not be able to delete it from the application, so you must log in from the web browser, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser and on the search box type in myspace.com. and you can check my description box for the link, and as you can see that I'm already logged in. So on the other side, tap on the three dot icon in the upper right corner. From here you'll have to open the page in a desktop site, so tap on desktop site, which is right at the bottom. So as you tap on desktop site, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, in the lower left corner there you can see there is a gear icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on it, there is a small pop-up window, so from there you'll have to tap on account. So as you tap on account, on the other side you have all the information. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on delete account, which is right at the bottom. Now as soon as you tap on delete account, on the other side you can see there is information. Now from there you can see right at the bottom there is update, so make sure to go through it and then tap on delete account. As soon as you tap on delete account, right in center there is a pop-up window. So as you are deleting your account, so you must give a reason for deleting your account. Now once you're done selecting your reason, so tap on delete my account, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Myspace account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.